In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Privacy. Now tap on App Permissions and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then hit one of your apps and tap on one of those options to apply a perfect one. Or if you want to, scroll all the way down this list, click on See All Permissions and manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!